How to add files in the Cankado web. Visit our website cankado.com. Please log in with your registered credentials. To add your files, click on Files. Click the plus symbol at the right top corner. Select the file type here. Select the date here. Select the specified tag. Add the description of the file here. Click on Upload your file here to add the PDF file up to 50 megabytes. Select the file you need to upload from your device. You can also delete the added file before saving by clicking the trash button near the file. After completing the file upload, click on Add New File. You have now successfully added your file. Click on Diary. Your added files will appear in the Diary section.